Hi everyone, my name is Varinder kaur and I work in Statim Health Care. Statim Health Care Limited is a leading recruitment agency. We recruit registered nurses, doctors, support workers and healthcare assistants in all over the UK. Today I would like to talk with you about how to get registered nurse job in the UK. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps you need to take to become registered nurse in the UK. I will guide you step by steps. So first step is education. The first step is to becoming registered nurse in the UK is to obtain nursing degree. There are different types of nursing degree you can pursue, such as Bachelor of Science in Nursing, which is called BCN, and Associate Degree in Nursing, which is called ADN, or Diploma in Nursing. Regardless of which type of degree you choose, you must ensure that it's recognized by Nursing and Midwifery Council, which is called NMC, which is a regulatory body of nurses and midwives in the UK. Step number 2, NMC registration. After completing your nursing degree, you will need to register with NMC. To do this, you need to provide proof of your nursing degree as well as your proficiency in English. You will also need to undergo a criminal record check and provide evidence of your health and character. Step 3, job search. Once you register with NMC, you can start looking for nursing job in the UK. There are many places you can work as a nurse, such as hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and private practices. It's important to search potential employer to find the right fit for you. Step 4, continuing professional development. As a registered nurse in the UK, you will be required to engage in continuing professional development, which is called CPD, to maintain your registration with NMC. CPD can include attending conferences, taking courses, and participating in professional organizations. This helps you to stay up to date with the latest developments in nursing, and it will improve your skills as a nurse. So conclusion is, to become registered nurse in the UK requires obtaining a nurse degree, registering with the NMC, finding a nursing job, and engaging in continuing professional development. If you are passionate about nursing and helping others, this can be very rewarding job for you. Now, how Statim Healthcare can help you? If you are already registered nurse, we can help you. Please contact us on our phone number, which will be added to the comment section in this video, and one of my team member will contact you. You can contact us via email as well. For more information, please check www.statimhealthcare.co.uk. I hope this video was helpful for you. To watch more video like this, please don't forget to like, share this video, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.